Family loyalty matters more than race. The families are more district owners, each having or sharing a distinct role in the land. The Dantex, also known as the Water Barons, control the water supply, making them the most powerful, leverage-heavy, and opulent group. The Dantex live in the southeast, where what little water supply exists. Home to the natives Fleng, an aquatic people group, and imps, a hybrid of elf and goblin, seen as immoral and an abomination. The imps are cruel and unkind, yet maintain Gale'don's water supply. In return, they ask for trading between the houses and protection by the mages. The Infernal Imperium, the family of Infernal magic, broke off from the Water Barons as they saw their goals and desires driving further apart. They're used as muscle for the Water Barons in return for water, a necessary ingredient for new disciples. The Jeks and the Dreglins share the responsibilities of the Infernal Mines, the Crystallic Crater. Once a single family, the Great Galbo War split them over whose mom's Galbo soup was better. A bitterness lingers, and they now argue about which family mines more. Gom Dreglin rules his people with an iron rod, literally. Once proud miners like their cousins, the Dreglins have instead invested their time and energies into blacksmithing and machinery, a brutalist city brimming with the latest technologies and shining metals, comprised of ogres, goblins, and elves. The Leodes are more of a religion and lifestyle. They are a quaint, quiet, and happy people, comprising mostly of Fae, winged folk, and some elves. The Fae of Leode refuse to use Infernal and instead rely upon fire and water to power their villages. No steam or combustion required. The Leodians are the main source of food for the entire land. They shepherd, farm, and grow merrily, ready to share as long as the dragons are happy. They worship the dragons who live in the mountains nearby and commune with them occasionally, tithing food to them. The sages are the only ones allowed to visit Malhaltha, or the divine home, the dragon's altar. Becoming a sage requires a young Fane to have both her eyes removed, as she is neither allowed to be seen or to see the dragons she brings gifts to. In return, the dragons are satiated, abstaining from carnage, so long as the altar is full.